Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quickbase. What is Quickbase? Well, I'm glad you asked. Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to build custom business applications without writing any code. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of what Quickbase is, how it can be used, and the benefits of using it. I'll also show you some examples of how Quickbase can be used in real-world scenarios. So, if you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, or if you're looking for a way to build your own custom business applications, then stay tuned. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to build custom business applications without writing any code. It's a drag-and-drop platform that makes it easy to create forms, reports, workflows, and other features. Quickbase is used by a wide variety of businesses, including small businesses, large enterprises, and government agencies. It's a powerful tool that can be used to automate a wide range of business processes. How can Quickbase be used? Quickbase can be used to build a variety of different applications, including customer relationship management, CRM systems, project management systems, inventory management systems, human resources systems, financial management systems, and much more. The benefits of using Quickbase. There are many benefits to using Quickbase, including it's easy to use, even for people with no technical experience. It's flexible and can be customized to meet the needs of any business. It's scalable and can handle a large number of users and data. It's secure and protects your data from unauthorized access. It's affordable and offers a variety of pricing plans to choose from. Examples of how Quickbase can be used. Here are a few examples of how Quickbase can be used in real-world scenarios. A small business can use Quickbase to build a CRM system to track their customers and leads. A large enterprise can use Quickbase to build a project management system to track the progress of their projects. A government agency can use Quickbase to build an inventory management system to track their assets. Quickbase is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to build a wide variety of custom business applications. It's easy to use, flexible, and affordable. If you're looking for a way to automate your business processes, then Quickbase is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business technology. I hope you enjoyed this video about Quickbase. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.